Today I'm going to learn about a powerful technique of Ho'oponopono to understand how we can remove money blocks from our life. Why is that? A lot of us want to manifest money, but we have a lot of blocks. I'm trying to make money, पर मुझे मौका नहीं मिल रहा. I'm not getting a job, या मेरा business ही नहीं चल रहा. I'm trying to do online courses, but कोई मेरा course आके खरीद ही नहीं रहा. So money is completely blocked. पैसा ही नहीं रहा life में. So what should I do?
That means that area where you attract money is blocked.
हाँ.
So you need to do what? Clearing it.
Okay, so kind of clear that block.
Clear that.
How will Ho'oponopono help?
एक simple बताती हूँ
हाँ.
पहले.
Welcome back to today's video, and we are back with the Queen of Ho'oponopono today to learn about how we can use Ho'oponopono to remove money blocks. Her favorite topic. So welcome back, Indu ma'am.
Absolutely, it is my favorite topic.
Awesome. Let's get ready. Those of you who don't know me, my name is Mitesh Khatri, and this is
Indu Khatri.
my wife, and we are law of attraction coaches, and we are also national best-selling authors of this book, The Law of Attraction. Today, I'm going to learn about a powerful technique of Ho'oponopono to understand how we can remove money blocks from our life. Why is that? A lot of us want to manifest money, but we have a lot of blocks. So imagine this is you're trying to make money in life, but there's a lot of blocks here, which is stopping you from making money in life. Indu's gonna help us understand first what is Ho'oponopono. Second, how we can use Ho'oponopono to remove those money blocks so that the bad luck that we're experiencing, you'll stop experiencing it. The money that is stuck somewhere can come back. The money that is not attracting will start getting attracted in your life. All money problems can be resolved with Ho'oponopono. So let's get ready. So Indu, what is Ho'oponopono?
Okay. Ho'oponopono is a simple Hawaiian technique. Very, very simple, super powerful, but very simple. It looks simple, it is very simple, but very, very powerful. What is it? It's 4 statements.
So simple like her and powerful like her. Okay.
Absolutely.
Done. So
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Please forgive me.
Please forgive me.
I love you and thank you.
I love you and thank you.
Yeah, these are 4
Sequence ये
statements.
रखेंगे मेरा वाला रखेंगे.
कुछ भी रख सकते हैं.
नहीं मेरा वाला रखना.
Okay.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Please forgive me.
Thank you.
I love you.
Okay. Done.
So
So explain, how does this work?
So this actually is okay. Very simple format. If I explain, so whatever is happening in our life, we are responsible for it. Everything, positive, good, negative, bad, whatever is happening. If you have attracted something, that is your manifestation.
We are responsible.
We are responsible for it. If कोई आके आपको कुछ गलत बोल के गया, आप responsible है. You are in debts, you are responsible. You are rich, you are responsible. You are in a very good relationship, you are responsible for it. So whatever is happening in your life, you are responsible for it. Now this 4 sentences makes you more responsible. It tells you that, okay, you are responsible for your life. So whatever bad is happening in your life, take responsibility of that also and clear it off. So a lot of people come back and ask me that, whom should I say I'm sorry? Why should I say I'm sorry? I'm not going to say sorry. You're not saying sorry to anybody. You're saying sorry to yourself.
To take
your
responsibility.
Situations. Yes, to take responsibility. Your situations and yourself. You are saying, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you and I love you to yourself, to your situation. Yourself because you have attracted this.
Yes.
Because you have attracted this bad thing, maybe an accident, maybe bad dates, anything.
Any
Whatever
money
you
problem.
have a money
Anything.
problem, anything you have attracted, you are saying sorry to yourself for that. The moment you take responsibility and say sorry, it's like cleaning the house. If you not cleaned your house for 4-5 days, the house will get dirty. Yeah. The moment you come home, you put your vacuum cleaner and you switch on vacuum cleaner and clean your house. The moment your house is clean, you feel good. Same thing. You are attracting bad things because you are not clean right now. Your energy around you is not clean right now. Just chant, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you for 108 times and see the magic.
So that is why Ho'oponopono is also called as a clearing technique.
Yes.
It clears out all the blocks from our life. Health problems, relationship problems, career problems, money problems. Almost anything can be healed, cleared with Ho'oponopono. But today specifically we are working on removing money blocks. So how does it really work? मुझे एक example दो कि अगर मेरा कुछ money block है, how can I use Ho'oponopono to remove my money blocks for an example?
Okay. So पहले वाला एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं आपका, जहाँ पे आपने कहा कि आपका बिजनेस नहीं चल रहा है, आपको अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ नहीं आ रही है, आप क्लासेस रन कर रहे हो, कस्टमर्स नहीं आ रहे, तो बहुत सिंपल है, आपका ब्लॉक हो गया है बिकॉज यू आर नॉट रिसीविंग मनी. करेक्ट. So you start saying that I take 100% responsibility of my current situation of business.
Okay, so say that statement again. I take
100% responsibility of my current situation of my business.
Okay, so I take 100% responsibility of my current situation of business. If it's a job, then you're going to say job. Any situation, right?
It's anything. बिजनेस, मनी, जो भी आपको लेना
So it can even be I take 100% responsibility for my current financial condition.
दैट्स परफेक्ट.
है ना? चलो
Yes.
ठीक है. तो हमेशा start with the first statement which is responsibility statement.
दैट इज द मेन थिंग. द मोमेंट यू डू दैट, आगे के क्वेश्चंस खत्म हो जाते हैं. किसको सॉरी बोलना है, क्या बोलना है, वगैरह वगैरह खत्म हो जाता है.
Okay.
So
तो
you
पहला
say-
इससे शुरू करूं. फिर क्या करूं?
I take 100% responsibility of my current financial situation.
Yes.
Perfect. After that, you've done that. You close your eyes. Then you say, since we are working on money right now, we'll say, I'm sorry,
sorry,
money.
money.
Please forgive me, money. Thank you, money. I love you, money.
Perfect. तो सिंपल है.
बहुत ही
चार
simple.
स्टेटमेंट्स है. इसको चांट की तरह बोलना है ना, जैसे
हाँ.
ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः
You
शिवाय.
saw me
वैसे
chanting today morning.
Chanting, yeah, exactly like
Today he was awake when I was chanting. So
I am awake many times when you are chanting. ये क्या बात हुई? लोगों के सामने बदनाम कर रही है मुझे.
And then उसके बाद में, if you have this mala, I use this. It's 108 beads. You get it in any temple.
108 बिट्स की माला है.
It's there on Amazon. You get it in any पूजा वूजा के जगह पे. Or if not, you can do it.
कोई स्पेशल माला की जरूरत नहीं. Just has to have this माला because 108 बिट्स की माला है.
That's
है ना?
all.
तो काउंटिंग इजी हो जाता है.
Counting easy हो जाता है. And थोड़ा focus रहता है.
So that
my
answers-
notice is, my observation is, you remain focused when you have mala in your hand.
So
If you
that's
don't
another
have
reason
a
for the
mala,
mala.
and if you're walking and doing or sitting and doing, your mind goes somewhere else. But if you have mala, then you remain focused.
And
That's
also
my
counting
observation.
easy हो जाता है.
And counting easy हो जाता है.
Done. So अब बताओ कैसे करना है.
बहुत सिंपल है. आप ये माला लेंगे और आप चैंट करेंगे, आई एम सॉरी मनी, प्लीज फॉरगिव मी मनी, थैंक यू मनी, आई लव यू मनी.
तो ये एक बार हो गया. So one round is 4 statements.
यस.
I'm sorry money, please forgive me money, thank you money, I love you money. फिर
You do it again. Second bit. I'm sorry money,
Okay.
please forgive me money, thank you money, I love you money.
तो ये आप करते रहो. How many times?
108 times.
108 times.
इससे पहले कि आप बोलो बहुत टाइम लगेगा, it doesn't. It takes only 8 minutes by the clock. I clocked it. It takes only 8 minutes to chant 108 times.
आपको हेल्प करने के लिए हमने एक वीडियो भी बनाया है where we have done the chanting of 108 times. You can find that video on YouTube. The link for that is also in the description below, or it will be on an iCard on the top also. चाहो तो watch that video, chant with us every day, once at least in the morning. कितनी बार करना चाहिए इसको मनी ब्लॉक निकालने के लिए?
मनी ब्लॉक के निकालने के लिए आप एक बार करोगे तो आपको रिजल्ट्स आने शुरू हो जाएंगे, आपको दिखना शुरू हो जाएगा कि आप क्या कर रहे हो. एंड ड्यूरिंग द डे ऑल्सो बी प्रेजेंट वेन एवर योर थॉट कम्स. आई मीन दैट इज माई सेकेंड सजेशन. ड्यूरिंग द डे ऑल्सो जब भी आपको थॉट आता है मेरे पास पैसे की कमी है या कुछ है, तो जस्ट रिप्लेस, से कैंसिल एंड रिप्लेस इट विद आई एम सॉरी
I'm
मनी,
sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you.
हाँ, बात खत्म. तो ये आप करोगे तो आपको खुद को ही दूसरे तीसरे दिन रिजल्ट्स दिखने शुरू हो जाएंगे. एंड देन यू कैन इंक्रीज चैंटिंग इफ यू वांट टू. इफ यू हैव पेशेंस यू शुड डू 4-5 टाइम्स.
4-5 times. तो अगर बहुत ज्यादा
I
मनी
do it
प्रॉब्लम
5
है,
times.
so she does it 5 times. Some people I generally suggest twice a day minimum. तो मॉर्निंग करना चाहिए कम से कम और रात को. अब इसका एक लॉजिक बताता हूँ मैं आपको. मॉर्निंग में when we wake up in the morning we are generally very fresh. So energy is good. So first thing in the morning अगर आप करोगे सुबह सुबह, so any negative energy that is there gets cleared. So your day has
Starts
been
at a
cleared with
positive
negative energy. हाँ, so you started with a positive note.
Positive.
तो अब अट्रैक्शन जल्दी होता है. रात को क्यों करना है सोने के पहले वापस से? Why do you have to do it at night? दिन भर some negativity must have happened. You're clearing that again before you sleep. So last thing before you sleep. Last thing. उसके बाद कुछ नहीं करना. Then you go to sleep. 108 times Ho'oponopono to clear any negative energy regarding money. कैसे करोगे? I am 100% responsible
I take 100% responsibility of my
my
money
financial
situation
condition.
or financial
I'm
condition.
sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you 108 times.
Yes.
तो responsibility वाला statement 108 times बोलना है?
नहीं,
जरूरत नहीं है. तो वो एक बार बोलना है. So if I can show you the माला, अब ये माला को पकड़ने के लिए ना ऊपर एक धागा है. हाँ, वो एक ही बार आता है, वो 108 टाइम्स नहीं आता. माला के अंदर बिड्स 108 टाइम्स आते हैं. तो वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी वाला स्टेटमेंट ये चोटी है.
Oh, that's a good idea.
है ना? तो ये चोटी एक ही बार आती है. तो 108 टाइम्स के पहले आप 100 वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी वाला स्टेटमेंट एक बार बोल दो. अब दिस इज ऑल Ho'oponopono. करेक्ट?
Yes.
तो ये एक एग्जाम्पल हुआ. अब मान लो किसी का पैसा अटका हुआ है, मैंने किसी को पैसा दिया और वो पैसा आने का.
Oh, that's a good one. Yeah.
So how do I clear that block so that I can start receiving that money using Ho'oponopono?
Okay. So what happens if somebody has taken your money? We generally think of that person and we always think, अरे यार उसने पैसे ले लिए थे, दिए ही नहीं, ये ही नहीं, वो ही नहीं. So we always think ill about that person.
Negative about that.
हाँ, we don't think positive about that person. We always curse that person. Curse is a strong
जानबूझ
word.
के पैसा नहीं दे रहा
हाँ,
है.
जानबूझ के पैसा नहीं
वो
दे
ऐसा
रहा है,
ही है.
प्रायोरिटाइज नहीं कर रहा है, मेरे को देना ही नहीं चाहिए था.
हाँ, बाकी जगह खर्चा कर रहा है, मुझे पैसा नहीं दे रहा है.
ऐसे बहुत सारे थॉट्स आते हैं. So
Correct.
keep just we will nullify these thoughts. What will we do?
Clear.
We'll clear those thoughts. What will we do? We will, instead of thinking that what will happen, when will I get that money, will he pay, वगैरह वगैरह, instead of that, जब भी आपको उस पैसे का थॉट आता है, just say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you to that person.
Think about that.
Okay, so let's assume that you have, there is some person called, say, Ajay. He has taken your money and he is not giving you the money. Just say, I'm sorry, Ajay. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you for giving me my money back.
तो
As
वो
simple as
छोटी भूल गए हम.
हाँ.
छोटी भूल गए.
हाँ,
Responsibility statement भूल गए. तो always start with the responsibility statement.
Yes.
मतलब क्या? I am 100% responsible for this money that is stuck with Ajay. I am 100% responsible. Responsibility ले लो.
Because remember, शुरू में हमने क्या बोला? You attracted it.
सब अपना frequency है.
सब अपना फ्रीक्वेंसी, किसी और का नहीं है. उसका गुड न्यूज ये है कि अगर अपना फ्रीक्वेंसी है तो हम चेंज भी कर सकते हैं. दैट्स अ गुड न्यूज अबाउट इट.
Correct. So how do you change it? You think about Ajay and you say, I take 100% responsibility for this money that is stuck with Ajay. I'm sorry, Ajay. Please forgive me, Ajay. Thank you, Ajay. I love you, Ajay. And if you really want to make it very powerful, दिन में 2 बार कम से कम अजय को याद करके 108 times hope.
Oh, then तो I mean we have a success story of a gentleman called Raja. His joining of Platinum was only to do this.
पैसा अटका हुआ था लाइफ
उसके कुछ 40-50 लाख इधर उधर अटके हुए थे and he wanted to recover that and he just blindly followed this very blindly and he recovered.
And there were
all.
multiple people, right?
Multiple people. So he used to just sit with the mala. He used to say, I take 100% responsibility of the money I have given to whoever it is, XYZ. And then he used to chant for that one person, he used to chant 108 times. He did that twice a day and he has recovered all his money. And looking at him, there is one more gentleman, his almost 3 crores was stuck. He recovered 3 crores plus.
Recovered all that money.
Yeah.
Right? Not just that. I remember there's this wonderful lady in Platinum and she was not getting a job for a long time. And she's a scientist, by the way. So being a scientist, qualification was there, talent was there, experience
Sitting
was
in
there.
US.
Sitting in US. सब कुछ था. It's just that job मिल नहीं रही थी. Because of what? The answer I always give is frequency. Right? So there is some block and money आ नहीं रहा है. So how do you clear that block? Best technique, while there are many things that you can learn, Hope No is the best thing that you can do. Start with saying,
I take 100% responsibility of the current situation.
So I take 100% responsibility for not attracting this job in my life.
Yes.
है ना? I'm sorry, dear job. Please forgive me, dear job. Thank you, dear job. I love you, dear job. तो इसमें हमने क्या किया? We have cleared out any negativity that I have towards this job.
Yeah.
Because if you observe people who are not getting a job, whether it's you or somebody else right now, you'll observe they have so much negativity about the job by now. क्योंकि जॉब नहीं मिल रहा है ना, तो सोचना दिन में शुरू कर देते हैं, आजकल जॉब मिल नहीं रहा है.
हाँ.
मार्केट खराब है, लोग रेसिस्ट हैं, मुझे जॉब नहीं दे रहे हैं. देयर आर सम वुमेन हु से वो उनके वहां पे लड़कियों को हायर नहीं कर रहे, शायद इसलिए प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. ऑल काइंड ऑफ नेगेटिविटी हैपेंस एंड दैट नेगेटिविटी बिकम्स अ ब्लॉक. तो उसको क्लियर कैसे करोगे? Again, responsibility statement. I take 100% responsibility for not attracting this job. I'm sorry, dear job. Please forgive me, dear job. Thank you, dear job. I love you, dear job. दिन में 2 बार कर लो, morning and night. बहुत ज़्यादा दिन में. Yeah, you just see the magic. Things will happen. You'll start attracting a job. You'll start attracting interviews. अब ये भी होगा कि इंटरव्यू मिलने के बाद में शायद पहले इंटरव्यू के बाद में क्लियरिंग ना हो. You may not get the job after the first interview. That's okay. At least you got the interview. That means the frequency is getting upgraded.
Yeah.
So say thank you after you come back from that interview. Do Hope No continuously, because believe it, अगर एक इंटरव्यू आया है
तो और भी आएगा और क्लियर भी होगा और जॉब भी मिलेगी.
100% हमने हजारों लोगों को जॉब मिलते देखा है, हजारों लोगों का पैसा वापस आते देखा है, हजारों लोगों की इनकम बढ़ते हुए देखा है.
Absolutely.
इट इज पॉसिबल. आई एम टेलिंग यू, आप होप नो करके तो देखो. अच्छा, इसका बेस्ट पार्ट पता है क्या है?
कोई साइड इफेक्ट नहीं है.
कोई साइड इफेक्ट नहीं है. मतलब लोग पूछते हैं अगर मैंने नहाने के पहले कर लिया तो कुछ होगा? कुछ नहीं होता. कभी भी करो, नींद में से उठ के हाँ करो, ब्रश करते करते करो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. बाय द वे, नाउ व्हेन यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग रिजल्ट्स, हमारे अंदर ना एक अजीब सी चीज होती है. हम कोई अच्छी पिक्चर देखते हैं ना, पूरी दुनिया को जाके बताइए ये पिक्चर जाके देखो, है ना. तो कोई अच्छी टेक्निक मिलती है, हमको लगता है सबको जाके सिखाएं, है ना. So if you want to become a healer, when you get amazing results and you start attracting money, if you want to become a professional healer at Hope No,
Yeah.
now come to us. I'll tell you why. People in our community who have become professional healers are people who are doctors, scientists, engineers, MBA, teachers, housewives, name it. All kind of people have come and become healers. And the best part, it doesn't require any other qualification. It doesn't require any specific background. It just requires one thing: your belief in Hope No and your intention to help people. And if you really want to start a new profession for a new source of income in your life, where you want to start making the kind of money that our community members are making, बताओ
come and join us.
क्या टाइप का पैसा कमा रहे हैं लोग, बताओ.
Oh my God, we are in our community. People are making anything between 1 lakh to 2 crores.
Yeah,
And
literally.
people have enhanced their healing, enhanced their skills, coaching systems, their businesses, and they're helping their friends, family with money, without money. They are getting loads of blessings and millions of money.
सबसे बड़ी बात,
Come and join
मिलियंस
us.
एंड ब्लेसिंग्स बोथ. तो कैसे ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं ये हीलर्स प्रोग्राम?
बहुत सिंपल है. I will give a link in the chat window, in the
डिस्क्रिप्शन
description below. They can click join. It's a free program, and you must attend that free program. Actually, in that free program, Mitesh has conducted complete Ho'oponopono experience, tears of joy experience, and that will give you tears of joy. And it will, when you walk out of that session, you will feel really light. You'll feel very happy. You'll feel as if इतना सारा लोड था आपके कंधे पे जो निकल गया है. So you must attend, and after that you feel like joining. Please join.
और देखो, अच्छी चीज है, अटेंड कर लेना चाहिए. ज्यादा दिमाग मत लगाओ कि काम करता है नहीं करता है. आओ, अटेंड करो. भले आप हीलर ना बनो, कम से कम यू विल गेट दैट लाइट एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ टीयर्स ऑफ जॉय, और बहुत सारी क्लियरिंग लेके जाओगे आप वहां से.
Yep.
राइट. सो द लिंक इज इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. जल्दी से रजिस्टर कर लो. लिमिटेड सीट्स होते हैं. बाद में मत बोलना कि सीट्स नहीं थे. Okay, see you soon in the Ho'oponopono Healers first lesson, completely free from our side. Come for the Tears of Joy experience, and see you soon in the next video.